112 tires in here, a lot of mixed light truck tires and passenger tires with a few truck tires. The ram runs down. When it starts reversing, where this line is about even with this arrow. Right now we're a little high, but we still should be able to clear out the dogs. Essentially just push the down button and let it drop. Then we come around to the back of the machine, at which point we want to retract all our dogs, put pins in them so that they do not engage. That would interfere with ejecting the bale. We make sure everything's clear in front of the door just in case, because there is a lot of pressure under here. And we back out. Make sure the door physically gets lifted all the way. And we get baling wire. We first put on our safety glasses. So we'll put 2 wires into the back. My partner will push the wires in from the top and send them across. To tie double-strand baling wire, what I like to do is make them both even, is take both ends. Doesn't matter which one here, do one, then the other. Both wires go through the hole together. And I pull them tight, pull the slack out, and bend them. And once they're bent, wrap it around 3-4 times together. After tying off the front of the bale, we come around the back. We want to make sure that all our baling wire is free from getting caught on the dogs. Then we put our ejector chains onto our ejector hooks. Selector switch to the up position and press up. Our completed bale is about 72 inches wide. (43, 44 inches wide, and about 46 to 47 inches tall. This is the bale we just created, sitting on the scale. Right now, as you can see from the scale, the bale weight is plus skid is 2,304 pounds, and we weighed the skid in previously at 50 pounds. So that's a 2,254 pound bale of tires.